Are you wanting to start Amazon FBA but struggling to find products to sell? Well, today we have a video which we think may just help you, as we're going to be showing you 5 Amazon FBA deals which are live right now and you could actually be selling. We'll be showing you the price you can buy them for, sell them for, how much they're selling each month, how much profit you could make as well. Stick around if you are stuck finding your Amazon deals. So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. We're back. As always, please hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. Now today we're stepping back into the world of Amazon FBA sourcing and bringing you 5 more FBA deals which we found in the previous month. These were some of the best ones which we saw available. Now all of these deals come from our Deal of the Day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals into our Discord community just to help give our users inspiration on where they should be looking and what they should actually be looking for. So hopefully you can use these deals as inspiration on the types of deals to sell. They are best for inspiration. I know I did say that you can actually sell them, but please be aware this video is going out to quite a lot of people. We have over 5,000 people in our Discord. The best thing to use this video for is simply as inspiration to find similar deals or just to learn brand new websites where you can source from. Now all of these deals are online arbitrage deals. So this means we're buying them from online retailers. And this is by far the best way and the easiest way to get started with Amazon FBA, because you can start with such a small amount of units. You can quite possibly buy just 5 units, send them into Amazon's warehouse, make a small profit and repeat the process over and over until you build a really profitable business. So I've probably done enough waffling now, so let's get into the video and show you some actual products. And this website's called Notino. If you've seen our videos before, you will know we absolutely love this website for online arbitrage. It's probably the best website out there in the UK, or if not one of the best websites. It's a beauty website, but they just run fantastic deals and they're really cost effective compared to the same product selling on Amazon. So I'm going to show you this product here, and this does have a deal on at the moment. It's this Arnica Active bath salt. So usually it's £6.60, but there's 15% off at the moment with the code promo. So we can get this one for £5.61 per unit. Now I'm going to take you over to Amazon next and show you what it's selling for on Amazon. So here you can see it sells on Amazon for £13.35 and it's definitely selling. It's 4.6 rated, it's got 57 reviews, so we're buying it for £5.61, selling it for £13.35. Now of course there's a lot more which goes into Amazon FBA than just, yep, we can buy it for cheap and we can sell it for more on Amazon. We have to analyze all this data, and we do this using the Profitl Chrome extension. So Profitl is a deal analyzer. It gives you key data on Amazon products so you can understand if they're actually worth buying. So we've loaded it up on the sidebar just here, and we can see this product is selling between 33 up to 56 units a month. It's making £2.65 profit per unit, which means 47% return on investment. This is our key metric here. This is more important than profit because it depends how much we're buying the item for. Here we're getting £2.65 profit per unit and it's costing us £5.61, which isn't bad, but if this item is costing us £30 to only get £2.65 profit per unit, that's not very good. So return on investment is the important metric. We always aim for 30% as a minimum, so we have some wiggle room on the product. The thing is with Amazon, the prices can drop. You're going to have competition. Please bear that in mind. You always want 30% as a minimum. Now the next thing which we really liked about this product was there's only 3 other FBA sellers on this listing. So that's another thing which is really, really important to look at, is our competition. They're the other people who we need to beat to get the buy box. Now if you don't know what the buy box is, the buy box is just this section here. It's the add to basket or buy now button. So the person with the buy box at the moment is Clifford Products, and only 1 seller gets this buy box, and usually it's a cheaper seller. So that's why looking at your competition is so important. Now if we were actually buying this product, we would go into a lot more detail when looking at it. We look at things like the competition stock levels, the price graphs, any potential warnings on the items, the average prices as well. But today we'll just be showing you the pure basics of Amazon FBA and sourcing your products. So that's deal number 1. Let's move on to the next deal. So here we are on deal number 2, and it's a Tamagotchi, and this is a slightly different website because it's a sort of a mix between a wholesaler and a retailer, but it's called NDA Toys Wholesale. So this one here is for a unit, it's for a pack size of 12. Our unit cost, including VAT, is going to be £12.24. Now let's head over to Amazon, where we can see this product is currently selling for £28.65, so a really nice price difference on this one. We'll load it up on Profitl. Look at this profit, £9.20 profit per unit. That's 75% return on investment. 34 to 52 sales a month, so really good sales. Only 4 other FBA sellers on this listing. Not too much competition. Now, the chances are you're going to be gated in this product. If you don't know how to get ungated, it's not too difficult. All you need is a purchase invoice from a wholesaler, so this wholesaler should work. If you were buying this from a retailer, it probably wouldn't work. When getting ungated, you need to see it as an investment, because a lot of times you'll have to buy other products from a wholesaler which may not be profitable just to get ungated, but you need to see it as an investment in your business. It is worth doing. Now, before we get into the third product, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers for Profitl. So Profitl is a deal analyzer. We have a DealFinder, a wholesale scanner, and the whole point about Profitl is to help new sellers become successful selling on Amazon. So we'll make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off, so that's a 55% saving. So make sure to take that down if you did want to save some money on your Profitl subscription. Now onto our third product, and we have another website. So we hope you're getting lots of inspiration for your online arbitrage sourcing, even just for the websites where you should be looking. And this product is this Fall Guys Animal Squad Figures 4-pack, which we can buy for £3.75. Now, as you know, what we'll do next, we'll head over to Amazon, where we can see it selling for £9.97 on Amazon. So loading up the data on the Profitl Chrome extension, 63 to 87 sales a month, so decent sales, especially when you think, look, only 2 other FBA sellers on this listing, giving us a 62% return on investment, £2.33 profit per unit. So another deal which has great potential, and let's go on to the fourth one. So we're moving on to Ocado next, and this one we have is this Moisture Revive Hydrate Butter Hair Mask, and you can see there's a great variety of products which we look to sell on Amazon. So this one is discounted, and discounts are of course a great way to earn extra profit on Amazon, or it may just mean it only becomes a good deal on Amazon because you can get a discount. Of course, if you're buying an item for full price, often the item is also going to be the same price on Amazon, so when it's discounted on one store, that can be your chance for the Amazon FBA deal to actually work. So this one we can buy for £6, usually £9. On Amazon it's selling for £18.57. It's a massive pricing difference on this one, and it wasn't selling as much, but because of that pricing difference, that's what made it interesting. So only 7 to 27 sales a month, but 2 FBA sellers, so again, not much competition. You'll see a pattern there. But because of this pricing difference, after our FBA fee of £3, referral fee of £2.84, VAT is on fees is 0 because this account will be VAT exempt. And that means 112% return on investment, giving us a £6.72 profit per unit. Just an amazing profit per unit when you think all you have to do is order these from Ocado, package them up, send them into Amazon's warehouse, and you're going to be making great profit. Now, there's no guarantee you're going to be making that much profit per unit, but when you have a really high profit item like this, it just gives you a lot of flexibility. If the prices do come down, which they can often do, it just means you should still end up with a really high profit. And as I mentioned earlier, typically we just aim for about 30% minimum. So if we're at 112% now, should get back a decent return on this item. Now on to the fifth and final deal, and this one is from Tesco, who I'm sure you're familiar with, so you could probably pick this one up in store, but you may just want to order it online. And it's these biodegradable fragrance-free wipes. So these are 60 wipes in a pack, but it's actually for a box of 12. So we can buy these for £7.20 each. Now on Amazon, they sell for £18.99 each. So that would mean £2.92 profit per unit. Sales are 33 to 74 a month, giving us a return on investment of 41%. So not the best deal out of all of them ones I've shown you today. Let me know in the comments which one you thought was the best. Of course, everybody has different requirements for Amazon FBA, or they look at different types of products. But that is the beauty of selling on Amazon. You can literally sell absolutely everything and make profit. We hope that video has given you inspiration on what you should be looking for and just the basics of your Amazon sourcing. My best advice to you is don't give up on searching for products, especially when starting, because when you first start, it is going to be really difficult to source your items. You're not going to know where to look, what you should be looking for, and you can spend hours trawling for items and actually not find anything. So just stay persistent, stick with it, and as with anything, it does become a lot easier. So we hope you found that video enjoyable. If you did, and if you did take any value, please do hit that subscribe button. But that is all for today. You'll find all of our important links down in the description, but we will see you in the next one.